I'll show you how to reset the maintenance reminders on a 2020 BMW X3 with the digital dash. All right, car is off. Go to the engine start stop button with your foot off the brake. Hit it 3 times pretty quick. 1, 2, 3. Let's power things up. It should say, give you your services that are due right away up here. And it'll go into a diagnostic mode. That's what it's going to say right here, okay? And yes, I do have this covered up because it has my location and I don't want to show you my location. All right, so once you have it up like that, all you got to do is press and hold down BC right here on the side right here. Press and hold it down for 20 seconds and it'll pull up the menu that you need to reset the maintenance. Okay, so we're just waiting. And holding and holding and holding. All right, now you can see how it's pulled it up. And we're getting maintenance reminders for brake fluid. If you hit BC button again, it'll go through the items that need to be done, okay, in yellow. So brake fluid. All right, so if you want to reset one of these, usually it's the oil, but we'll go ahead and do brake fluid. Press and hold down BC. Let go. Press BC again. Until it turns green. It's that simple. And so we'll go through and we'll do the other one so we don't have our message anymore. Well, I guess it was only one. All right.